Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. It's your boy Nathan Ola, and today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing family photo for this season, Christmas season. And first thing first, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification button, and please like, share, and comment if you want me to share or upload any of AI videos, image, animation, programming, whatever you want me to do. Just put it in the comment section so that I can share them across to everyone through my video. So all I want you to do now is to follow. Let's dive into the video. So all we have to do first is to get our prompt ready, and I will make provision for the prompt to use. After you watch the video, you are going to get access to the prompt. And one thing I want you to know is that we have different platforms you can actually use the prompt to generate the image. But me, I prefer using Gemini.ai because it gives me access to manipulate easily and to get different images based on what I want. Even though they have some limitation, but I think with the upgrade now to Gemini 3, it has really changed a lot, and it has adapted to a lot of updates. So once you get the prompt, you put it in Gemini.ai. This is what it's going to bring forth for you. And I'm going to show you how you can also transform any image you've seen online. Let's assume you've seen one image and you want to replicate the image to your own. My next video that I'm posting now is going to deal with that, how you can replicate AI image. So it's going to be straightforward and direct. So check the description and the comment section for the prompt to generate this AI. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe.